is a small town, super small town car show. I was expecting way more cars than expected. So I'm trying to do this video real quick, just but give an idea. This town maybe has 800 people, 1,000 people maybe. Pretty big turnout for the first annual.
Going to the house.
What the heck?
Cool cars. There's some cars back here owned by Covington. They were on the biker build-off. Covington cycles back in the chopper days. So these are the Covington's cars and the biker build-off guys.
I've got it sitting up there at my place down here in Shattuck. I've got it sitting there at my little garage.
Friend of mine, Randy. Indian motorcycle. Cool rat rod.
I thought it was expensive. Well, yeah, it was 27 years ago. It might not have been a super class, but either way, I couldn't afford the extra $7.
And this is where we started.
Can't.
Extra parking.